Hey guys, today we're going to be making a chocolate and flan cake. To start off, you're going to need oil, cake mix, 7 eggs, measuring cups, sugar or caramel, cooking spray, cream cheese, vanilla extract, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, a whisk, and a bowl to hold your mix in, a blender, and either a round or flat pan to put your cake in. We're going to start off with making the cake. You can either make it from scratch or you can do as the box says. To start, we have already in the bowl 1 1/4 cups of water and 1/3 cup of oil. Then you're going to need 3 eggs. And then you mix it before you put the batter in. And once everything's mixed, you then put the chocolate cake mix in the bowl. I can't. Okay, once you got it finally open, you put it into the bowl. All of it. And then you mix it. You mix it all until you see that there is no powder and everything is well mixed and it's nice and brown. You can use a mechanical whisk. I like to do it hand whisking. Keep on mixing until you see no lumps. Because you don't want a lumpy cake. You don't want lumpy cakes. Alright. Almost done. Nice and creamy. And cake is done. Now on to the flan. To start off, for a flan you're going to need 4 ounces of cream cheese, which is the whole container of cream cheese. Alright, sorry guys, instead of a whole 8 ounce of the cream cheese, you're only going to need half, which is 4 ounces. And on the aluminum, it tells you how much ounces it is, so where you can cut it. So you just cut it halfway, and you just put the other half in here in the blender. Then you're going to need the whole can of sweetened condensed milk. Just put it all in there. Put the whole thing. And then shake this as it says on the can.
Mama's gonna open it.
Mama's got it. Then you're going to need 4 eggs. And then a teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can get anywhere. So. Teaspoon. Then the evaporated milk. Pour the whole thing in. Nice and slow so we don't spill it. Then you blend it for a few minutes till all is mixed. Alright, now that the flan is mixed together, now you spray your pan with cooking non-stick spray all throughout the pan, all over, so the cake doesn't stick. Then you put half of this caramel container on the bottom. You spread it throughout so it's even. Then it doesn't matter what order you put the chocolate cake or flan, because either way the flan is going to sink and the chocolate cake is going to rise. So I'm just going to put the flan in nice and slow. And then put your cake mix. I'm gonna lick that later. And then you put all the cake mix in. You can scrape the bowl if you need to. Make sure you get all the mix in. And then you put it in the oven, which should have been preheated at 350, and you put it in for 2 hours, or until you put a toothpick in and the toothpick does not have any cake on it. And after the cake is done, you place it on a cooling rack for 15 minutes. Before putting the cake into the oven, you're going to need a roasting pan and fill it in with hot water 2 inches to put in the pan, which you put the pan in. This prevents the flan from sticking and it keeps the cake moist while it's baking. And now we get to put it in the oven and wait 2 hours. And that's it. Thank you for watching.